The top 5 deadliest hurricanes on Earth. Number 5, Hurricane Katrina, 2005. Devastating the United States Gulf Coast, it left an unforgettable mark on history. Number 4, Hurricane Harvey, 2017. It submerged Houston, Texas, causing massive destruction and loss. Number 3, Hurricane Maria, 2017. This Category 5 storm ravaged Puerto Rico, leaving the island in ruins. Number 2, Hurricane Andrew, 1992. This Category 5 storm rocked Florida, causing billions in damage. Lastly, Hurricane Camille, 1969. A storm so fierce, it reshaped the Mississippi coastline. These hurricanes remind us of nature's unstoppable force, so with this being said, here are